Alright, Jason Sims here with Classic Motorcycle Consignments. We just pulled this 1955 Mustang out of long-term storage, out of an aircraft hangar here. This thing's been sitting for quite a long time. Basically, we just kind of washed it up. I threw some fuel in it, and it popped right off on the first kick. So we're going to give you some proof of life and then show you riding this thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to choke it here for a second. As you can see, it's totally cold. I'm going to just wick it a few times, kick down. Then I'm going to take it off choke, give it a little bit of gas. Right there. It could be yours. Hit us up.
There you go. 1955 Mustang. Basically brand new.